Daddy, you're the coldest with the camera.
I know, son. They know what's going on.
Just be cautious when you're working with it. If this thing accidentally hit the car while you're wrapping, it's gonna shift the wrap. So you just like you're walking on thin ice using. It's good to have a couple hands, but if you know how to guide the material, you get some stuff done by yourself. It's okay to work with a team, it's okay to work by yourself. That'll be take 5. Fender done. So you're just trimming after this. Pretty much laid. You're gonna trim and keep a ½ inch so you can roll the material under the fender. You don't want the material to be right here at the edge, because weathering and washing it, it's more likely to peel. So to avoid peeling, just add your ½ inch from the edge and heat and tuck under. Make sure it's clean. That's why we clean beforehand, so when we get ready to tuck, it's already clean behind there. So it's pretty much done. Just pretty much trimming. A couple trim shots. Be running with the razor blade. The fender pretty much laid. I'm covered around all edges. Now the next hard part is trimming it on the masking tape, lifting the material up, pushing the wrap in, trimming it, heating it, and using special tools to run. To tuck the wrap behind the edge. She got a fresh load in. That pack just touched down. Window tint got to come through the mail. I got some 20% and some 5% short rolls. That's a short roll of 20, that's a short roll of 5, and that's a long roll of 20. Right now, I'm heating the wrap around the edge, and I'm also tucking. It's a nice razor blade because it's a razor blade plus it's a tucker at the same time. So, instead of having to cut and then looking for your tucker, you can just cut and go back in with your tucker. Cut and tuck blade. Yep, and then you're gonna leave a ½ inch of material. That way you can tuck it on in. And that might be enough, but we're gonna try it. Maybe that's too much. It's already around the edge, so this is already right there. I can cut that off. But you wanna make sure you around before you make that kind of cut. You don't just want to go straight in and then you'll cut too much paper off. I'm cutting and I'm pulling with my other hand. So I'm making some tension with this hand and I'm cutting with my other hand. Cut, tuck, then come back with the heat. That's gonna be your combo every time you make a cut. Tuck, watch the video. You're gonna want to keep the heat gun away from the wrap when you're working. It's easy to be careless and just throw it around. I kind of got that bad habit too, but you can mess up your whole progress by being clumsy. So every time you're working, you want to be strategic strategic in all your moves. Don't let the heat touch the wrap or the car because it can damage it. Don't let the heat gun act in the brush. You wanna be in your right mind when you're working. If you need to take a break, take a break. Be at 100%. Yep, it's a nice, this blade come in handy. Yeah, if you're doing it like that, you get a nice clean wrap. So when you close the hood, take off. Close that hood, and all the parts, nice and clean. You know you did a good job. I ain't sure. I just kind of know how I feel. I'm just like rap. We're not gonna